Come on, little 2015 battery. You're the best. Now we did have this really old battery which has another style electronics, which was from 2015. So is it possible to replace the cells in this one? I do want to get these two LG out of there and hope that they haven't had this security thing or planned obsolescence thing back then, because it's almost 10 years old. This one doesn't have polarity markings, and of course I forgot to check that, but VG is most likely voltage ground, so 0. We can also check the continuity, and this is the positive terminal, and it's connected here, so that's the positive, and that's the negative, and no BMS function. So let's check the thickness. More like 0.20. Yeah, 0.20. So now the nickel part is done. Let's connect them together. So, I think that would be pretty good. And this one didn't have an indicator. Come on, little 2015 battery. You're the best. Yes, you are. You're a good little battery without that nonsense. So that actually worked. So it was worth it after all. Nice. From 1.5 to 2.6 ampere hours. I'm happy with that.